Well, hey guys, I bought some crash bar bags, some side bags or whatever you want to call them, that will mount to the side here. As much luggage as I have for going on these multi-week trips, I need a little bit more, mostly for tools and maintenance stuff, because I could easily occupy one bag, especially since I need to bring tubes and stuff like that. But yeah, I found these, comes as a pair, obviously. I found these for like 33 bucks. I think AliExpress, put the link in the description. And the price was kind of important because when the bike does fall, it is going to fall and, you know, crush the bags. So if one of these bags does break, it's not the end of the world. So that was kind of ideal for me. So yeah, they're supposed to be waterproof. I mean, basically these are like 16 bucks, right? So for that price, they're actually pretty nice. You know, all the clips seem pretty heavy duty. It did take like a week or so to get them, but they're 8 liters. So yeah, hopefully we get them to fit. It does have a nice backing on it. So yeah, so let's see how this plays out and if we can make it work. So when you get these, there's some clips up front, just unbuckle everything. And then you're gonna pass the clips through the straps here. Okay, so now they're all loose. So you're going to take your side ones and go through, back through the strap that you pulled them out of. And you're going to do that to all 4 of them. And these are Adventure spec crash bars, by the way. So that completes the side mounting. And then there's another strap in the back here. I could come up on the top bar. Let's roll this up first. When you roll it up, you'll have your clips up here to latch the opening. And then this will go up front. So obviously this is loose. You'd have to tighten up your straps. I'm gonna put some stuff in here just to kind of fill them up and see how it plays out. Okay, so I got the bags, you know, basically just a tube inside each with just a couple other little things, but yeah, they're pretty sturdy. I got the strap, you know, pretty tight. You know, it's just what I wanted, really. You know, I think I got the front tube in that one, the rear tube in this one. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. They're pretty tight. You know, that's, you know, it doesn't sound like much, but just tubes alone, you know, when you have them together, they actually take up quite a bit of room. I could easily fit way more in there. I'm going to organize my tools and just kind of put most of the tools that, you know, a wrench isn't going to break if it falls on the ground. So obviously a tube's a little bit more prone to damage if I fall on it, but the material on the bag is pretty thick, so I'd have to poke through that first. And to be honest with you, I don't really see that really happening. And if I'm crashing that hard, we probably have other concerns. But yeah, for the price, very happy with it. When I was shopping, you know, you could easily spend $200, and I didn't want to go that route. So yeah, hopefully they last. And you know what? If it only lasts 2 years, and I buy another set for maybe $40 by then that's great. I'm totally okay with that. But yeah, I'll put the information in the description if you guys want to go this route too. But for the money, I think it's well worth it. All right, thanks.